Hello everyone and welcome to our participation point challenge for quarter 4. So everybody who has earned 10 or more points receives one entry into the drawing for a $10 gift card for your class. So I'm going to do 2 classes today. I'll start with hour 3, and then I'll do hour 6. Even if you don't win a gift card today, I appreciate your hard work, and you also get extra credit as well as a shout out card home to your parents if I haven't already sent one to you earlier this year. So thanks everybody for your hard work, and I'll start off with hour 3. We have Beckiana with 2 entries, Taylor with 1, Lori with 1, and Sophia with 3. Marquise with 2. And that is it. So we have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 entries. So what we're going to do now is shuffle this up a couple times, and then we'll spin the wheel. All right, our winner is Sophia. Congratulations, Sophia. I will be sending you an email to see where you would like your gift card to, so I'll just basically buy it from that store and email it to you. So congratulations, and thanks everybody for your hard work this term. All right, so now we're going to clear the wheel, and we'll move on to hour 6 for the same thing. So we have Chris with 1 entry, Gunnar has 3. Sorry, I can't type today. Novi has 1. Rainey has 2. Joe has 2. Josh has 1. Megan has 2. A lot of people with duplicate entries, and Tiffany has 1. All right, so we're going to shuffle this up a few times, and then we will spin. All right, our winner was Tiffany. Congratulations, Tiffany. So I will be reaching out to you to see where you would like your gift card to as well. Thanks for all of your hard work this semester, everybody. It was great having you in class, and I look forward to possibly having some of you in class next year. I'll be teaching some English 10 classes, but not all of them. But even if not, it's fun to see you guys around at different events, school events, and things like that. All right, have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.